This conference will now be recorded.
Now put a heading called as CSS, Cascade Style Sheet. Put a heading called as CSS, Cascade Style Sheets. Cascade Style Sheets. Right. Write down style element, Cascade Style Sheets, CSS, Cascade Style Sheets. Write down styling element, styling element, styling element used in DOM pages, DOM, DOM. Styling elements used in DOM pages, styling element used in DOM, DOM, DOM pages, bracket HTML, bracket HTML, bracket HTML. Styling element used in DOM pages, bracket HTML, is called cascade style sheets. Is called cascade style sheets. Right? Write down next line. In Visual Force, there are three types of styling elements. In Visual Force, there are three types of styling element. Number one, inline style. In Visual Force, there are three types of styling elements. Number one, inline style, inline. Number two, internal. Number two, internal. Number three, external. Number three, external. Right? Start writing. Next, put a heading called as inline style. Inline style. Inline style. Style for a single element. Style for a single element declared within the element. Style for a single element declared within the element tag. Style for a single element declared within the element element tag is called inline style. Is called inline style. Is called inline style. Full stop. Defined by attribute style. Full stop. Defined by attribute style. Defined by attribute style. Now keep looking. Rupam@of117.com. Password CRM1234#. I log into my environment. Now, what is a style? First understand. Whenever you want to put colors, positioning, right? You want to put center, left, right from the top. You want to give a border. You want to give a background. You want to put an image. In such cases, we use a style element. And these style elements are from CSS. CSS. If I go and type in Google CSS, I will get the first tutorial called as CSS tutorial. Here it is, cascading style sheets. It's a language actually. It's another language. Now I open it. Here you have definition of all. You can see borders, margins, outline, font, icon, colors. See, whatever is needed is available here. Now today we are going to use this in our Visual Force. No need to learn this language. It's just a copy paste work, right? Let's understand how to use it. I go to my setup. I click on my developer console, right? My developer console opens up. I click on file. I click on open. I look for pages. Let me open the main page. I click on open. Here is my main page, if you remember. When I click on preview, I would be able to see a main page coming up with images, with iframe, right, with tabs and everything. Now, account name. I want this field to be background yellow, fonts to be, italics, big. In such case, I will use style. How to use a style? Apex input field. I put a space bar, right? Every element will have style. See, style equals to, what do you want? Background color. Go to the CSS, look for background. Here's the background. Background, right? I can say background color. See, copy this, Control C, come here, paste it. Background color equals to yellow. I'm changing it to yellow. I said Control S on my keyboard. Now go ahead and see the effect, right? See, automatically the field became yellow, right? Observe your mic, guys. Your mics are very dangerous, right? And you see that automatically my color get applied here, right? Now I want font to be increased. I will come to CSS. I will say fonts. I will say font size. I scroll down. I look for font size equals to 40 pixel. I copy it, come here, and I paste it. Control S on the keyboard. I go and check my output. Oh, here it is. Why it's so scrolling so down? See, account name RAVI Ravi Technology. Because I said 40, the field became big. Able to understand? Yes or no, everyone? I'll change it to 20 pixel. I want font color to be something else. You have to come here, go to the CSS, font color. Somewhere you'll be able to see font color also. This is font size, font family, right? Or you can just use color. Universal language is COLOR, color. Color colon, red, green, blue, yellow, BLUE, blue, and then a semicolon. This is the way we write. Control S, right? By the way, scrolling equals to false. Scrolling equals to false, right? I go to my page, see the output, right? Whatever I'll type, it will come in blue color because you set color equals to blue. Now you see that what I'm doing for each line, I have to say style. For each line, I have to say style. Style equals to, I can copy the same thing. Control C. Control S. Now I go to my page. See, what is the next field I gave? Account phone. There was an error. Space bar. Control S. Done. Now you go ahead and see. Second field also became the same. You have to do it one by one if you go by inline style. Inline style is for single element. Inline style is for a single element. That means if there are 20 fields, you have to do this for 20 times, right? What else you want? You want underline, you want to change the font, you can go ahead and choose from here. CSS, font style. See, I will say italic. Control C. Come here, paste it. Italics. What else you need? Right? I want font family. See, so many families are there. I will say font family equals to Verdana or Ludica console. See, Control C. I go ahead and paste it here. One after one. Control S. I come here, refresh my page. Now whatever I will write, it will be different from this font. Right? You want Verdana? So check whatever you want. All I'm doing is that I'm going to my CSS and I'm copying from here. Font family, style, right? Whatever you want. Font. Right? You have to do it. Oh, there is an error. What was that? So many are there. Right? After that, I forgot a semicolon, guys. Right? At the end, there should be a semicolon. Control S. Right? Here. Okay. Font. 1 minute. Control S. Still there is a problem. 1 minute. I have to close
Color
the
there is inverted
this is
comma.
this.
Yeah.
Control S. Perfect. Because it's starting from here, I didn't close it towards the end. Right? Perfect. Now you can go ahead and you can type C. See the font here? Right? I can increase, I can decrease, I can set 25 pixel. You are applying a style to each element, and this is called as inline style. Right? Now, if there are 100 fields like this, can I do one by one? No. If I copy and paste, tomorrow if I want to make a change, then I have to make a change to 100 lines. Then the concept is called internal style. Write down internal style. Next, internal style. Second one, internal style. What is an internal style? Keep writing. Style element applicable, style element applicable to bunch of controls, style element applicable to bunch of controls, style element applicable to the bunch of controls or a set of components, bunch of controls or to a set of components are called internal style, full stop. Defined by style sheet, style class, defined by an attribute, style class, defined by an attribute, style class. Right, full stop. There are two types of internal styles. Number one, system. Number two, custom. System, custom. Internal styles are divided into two, system style, custom style. Now, keep watching. Wherever you want, create some space. I am creating exactly below the page, starting of the page. Use style keyword. There we go. Here will be my style. What you will do? Anywhere in the Visual Force page, use style tag. Now, you know H1. You know H1? H1 is a command for header. Header. Whenever you want to use a heading in HTML, command is H1. H1. Right? H1. Now, I will say like this. H1. Next, you know body in HTML body? Body means the content in HTML. B-O-D-Y, body. This is the way you will define. For example, H1, I will go ahead and I'll say color equals to red. Font size. Font size equals to 50. H1, color equals to red, font size equals to 50. Wherever you use H1 color, wherever you'll use H1 color, you'll use H1. Immediately, red color will come and size will be 50. Where should I use H1? If you remember that, welcome to Emirates. Here there is a welcome to Emirates is there. Can't I put this in H1? H1 start, H1 end. In between, I'll say Control X, I'll paste it. See, H1 starting, H1 ending. In between, there is Emirates. I'll say Control S. Go ahead and see. Welcome to Emirates. Don't worry, we will move it. Right? See, wherever I use H1, wherever I will write anything in H1, immediately it will get in red 50 because H1 style I have defined here. One place you will define and you will use it throughout the page. Able to understand? Body. Body. I will say background color equals to I will say orange. Control S. Go ahead and see what happens. Background behind. Above that we have this control. See, background became orange. How I'm coloring my page? I want border color. Okay. Go to CSS, borders, borders, borders. I click on border, right? See, border, style, dotted, dash, double. Border equals to double. Copy, Control C. I come here and I paste it here. Border equals to double. Next, I go and I say width. Border width equals to 5 pixel. Body, border width equals to 5 pixel. Border color, I'm taking everything from CSS. Border color equals to red. Border color equals to red. Control S. Save. Now go ahead and see your page. Can you see border? Double border towards the end of the body. See, from the top everywhere there is a border. Because here our images cross the border. So image width is 1300. Let me see whether it comes inside or not. No. Image width is 1100. Control. I'm trying to bring that image. 1100 is too small. So I will say 12. Control S. Anyhow, fine. See, there's a whole border. These are called system. H1, body, these are called your system internal styles. There are two, system, custom. These are system. Write down examples in front of the system. H1 body, H1 tag, body tag, H2 tag, right? Now keep looking on it. Next, how to define custom? Always a custom is defined with a dot keyword. Dot. Dot what? Dot Rupam. Now I am defining custom. Dot Rupam. Dot Rupam. What is that? I will say color equals to red. No. Color equals to green. Dot Rupam. Font size equals to 25. I will say background color equals to pink. Dot Rupam. This is a custom style. What is this? Custom. See, Control S. Wherever I use Rupam, there it will get applied. Where can I use? Scroll down here in the facts. Style class. Right? Internal styles are called with style class. What is the name of the style class? Rupam. Style class 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 Rupam. See, everywhere I say style class Rupam. And where is this Rupam definition? It is available here on the top. Able to understand, guys? Yes or no? Custom is always defined with a dot. Control S. Keep watching. Keep watching. Wherever I said Rupam, all became ping, ping, ping. Same. Because this is applied to a set of. You make a change here. From a ping, you say, you can use anything. For example, I can go to my Salesforce, Google. I will say HTML color codes. I'll go to the HTML color codes. Here you can select your color. Ooh. This color is good. Copy the color code. Control C. Come here and say color equals to this. Control S. Automatically you will see that. Able to understand now? Can I define more internal? Yes. Dot my tab. Dot my button. My BTN. You can give any name. See, these are all custom styles. I want button. Button background color equals to, we want a purple button. We want a purple button. So go to the color code. Perfect. Copy the color. Come here. Background color is this. Color. This is the font color. Color equals to white. Font size equals to 15. My button. Where is button? Let's scroll down. Look for Apex command button. Space. Style class equals to my button. See? Control S. Next time when I go, my button color, ooh, not yet applied. Right? My button. What are the things we gave? Background equals to this. Color is white. Font size 15. Not applied. Right? Where did I say command button? style class my btn. Don't worry, we'll see. My tab, there I will say see control S. Where I'm using tab, here I'll use it. Tab space style class my tab, control S. I have to do it for second tab also. Space style class equals to my tab, control S. Let us go ahead and see, because I say font white, the tab, can you see? Background is orange. On that there is a tab, and the tab color I have set to purple background, font white, right? I can change it from here. Font equals to white, no, black. Mute. Online, Lakshmi, mute, please. See, right? How we are applying styles to our own pages. Ardhamautunda? Yes or no? Right? You can start applying styles like this. Whichever element you want to apply to this element, again use style or use style class. Style will be for single element. Style class is one definition on the top. Use that definition down wherever you want. Right? Able to understand? Yes. Perfect. See, we have to see why it's not getting applied to my buttons. Right? Background color. Right? Font color white. Font size. Control S. Let me see last time. Should get applied. We are using right btn. My btn. Dot my btn. Am I using right? Style class equals to my btn. If not, then let's go ahead and give style. Let's go ahead and declare style. Let's see. Style class is not working. So let's say style. It should be working, guys. Style. Style equals to right background color yellow, font size this, color blue, control S. Let us see. Sometime if class doesn't work, then take inline, right? Still the background color didn't got applied, right? Control S. It should take a time. See, there's a button now. Clear? Internal and inline. Everyone clear? అర్థం కాలేదు ఎందుకంటే బాడీ పైన ఈ కంపోనెంట్ ఉంది కదా, ట్యాబ్ ఉన్నాయి కదా, ట్యాబ్ వెనకాల ఆరెంజ్ ఉంది. సో బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ is orange. On the body you have placed a tab. I have given a purple. On the tab there is a section, page block. ఇది ఏంటిది? account info is a page block. So you have to apply color there also. So తీసేస్తే, if you remove the page block, you will be able to see purple ఎందుకంటే tab వస్తుంది. You remove the tab, then you will be able to see orange. Why the orange is not visible? Because orange is the background. On the background you have a tab. That is the reason tab color what I gave purple. See, tab 3 I didn't give any color. So when you go to the tab 3, right, you don't see any color, white. So we gave a tab purple. So tab has become purple now. Where is the tab area? Above the tab we have what? Page block. Inside the page block, we have section. So you have to color those also. Ardhamautunda? So I didn't give a color to my sections. I didn't give a color to my page blocks. In section color ichana account details, so that's the reason it's not coming up. So that means every component you have to give apex page block. See, right? Tab style. Here it says tab style. Here it is quite difficult to give a color to a tab. Right? In Salesforce Visual Force, it is quite difficult to give a colors to a tab and a section. Right? Something will work, something will not work, because tab style is taken from where? While you create an object, you remember Inky Pinky Ponky, father as a donkey. I have to select a color. System is taking that. Overwriting a tab style is quite difficult. Some of the challenges in Visual Force pages, right? Tab style is difficult. You have to do a lot of CSS. Perfect. Now, we want to move. What do you want to move? Now keep watching. Welcome to Emirates. I want to move it towards what? Right side. Now, let's understand this first. Paint. There is a two words called as margin and padding. Whenever we talk about position, there are two words that we use called margin and padding. By default, every component will start from 0, 0. This location, which location? This location is called 0, 0 location. This corner. Every component, if you remember, I said first component when I created, I said, hi guys, good morning. It was starting from the top corner. Yes, it was starting from here, right? Exactly from this location, guys. This location is called 0, 0 location, right? Whenever this location is called, any component will start from here. Now you have to move this component from here to here. Then you have to move the component down. This piece is called margin. Top margin, left margin, right margin, and this is called bottom margin. These are margins. What are these? Left margin, right margin, bottom margin, and this is top margin. You don't need to use all the margins. To position a component, only two margins are enough. To anything, left top or bottom right, or right top, left top, or right bottom, left bottom. So one from x-axis, one from y-axis is enough. You don't need to use all the four in your programming. Let's understand. Let's understand. I want to move this welcome to Emirates. See, it's starting from where? 0. I'll not say 0, 0. 0, 0 is this. This corner is 0, 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Somewhere 0, 20. 0 is this side and 20. 0, 20. I want to move this now. Then that case, I will come here, H1. What I will say? Left margin. From the left side, how much to move? And these all are there in yours. See, margin. Margin. There are left margin, margin left. Copy. Margin left. From left side, how much you want to push? 300 px. Control S. Now you see what happens. See, 300 pixels. You can use alignment also. Alignment equals to auto. Alignment equals to center. Right? You can use 300. I can make it more. 500. Welcome to Emirates. It has gone more that side. So 450 would be good. 450. Able to understand, guys? Yes or no? 450. 450. 450. Right? See? Welcome to Emirates. I don't need top margin. Why? Because on the top, already these components are there. First one component, second one component, third one component. Then I have what? Welcome to Emirates. Already the first width is defined. Because the first width is defined, so the space is getting covered, and finally I have this. Ardhamavutunda leda? You want to put a box border. You want to put a border, right? You want to put a border. Then what will you do? You can come and give a border here as usual. The way I gave border style, double. Border width 5 pixels. Control S. Keep watching. Welcome to Emirates. Able to understand now? Yes, I am doing it so many times so that it gets fixed in your brain. How to give a colors and everything. Perfect. Now, let's see. Same way here, I type same technology. Now, can you see that? It is starting with touch to touch. 99999. I want a gap here. This much gap. I want this much gap. This is called padding. Padding is inside a component. Margin is outside the component. So inside the component, for example, right? Let me go to the diagram. Inside this, you have something. You have another control. Let's say that name. And then there is a box. This distance is called padding. Left padding, right padding, top padding, bottom padding. Inside an element is called padding. 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 Now you watch dot Rupam. What I will say? CSS. Now I will go for padding. Here is a padding. I will say padding left. Same thing. Margin left. Now I'm saying padding left. Right? I come here. I say padding left equals to 10 px. Padding left equals to 10 ps. Now keep watching the output. All the pink, wherever you enter, say this, there's a gap. Can you see there's a gap? Here there is no gap. But here there is a gap. See? See the differences in these two? You want more gap? Increase the padding equals to 40 pixel. Now you see. See from where it's coming? In front of it. Okay, font I'll change it. Font equals to green is not good. WHIT, white. Now you see from where it's starting and where it's starting. See, you want gap from the top, you want gap from the bottom. Then what I will use? Padding top. Everybody able to understand? Yes, sir. 10px.
Yes, sir.
Right. Now I go at this is padding. padding top, padding bottom, same margin, bottom margin, same thing applies here also. Padding bottom.
Rupam, I have a
Yes,
question.
tell me.
Actually, you told us how to insert the custom styles, right? Uh, in system styles, how we can insert them? Like you made it as heading H1 body,
These are
right? So here,
command. These are commands. These are HTML commands. H1 is a header, B bold tag, P paragraph tag. Now you can define a system style P. Define P. Wherever you're using paragraph, that whole paragraph I want red color. అర్థమవుతుందా లేదా? P stand for what? Paragraph. BR
yeah,
stand for what?
in HTML we'll give like it is a body. This is head. I mean head, title. All these tags we'll be giving. But here
Correct.
we
Correct.
haven't seen the body tags and H1 tags till now, right?
See, what is the body stand for? Body of a page. Here, the whole page, Visual Force, this whole is a body now. You don't need to define the body. Inside the body itself, you're defining this. H1. Yes, I'm using H1. No. Well, who said, see, here I've said H1. I've used H1.
So for which it will take the body, you mean the after the tab
Everything.
panel, everything will be the body?
Yes. Right?
Okay.
Once again, keep watching. Body equals to orange. This is body. Body line is double. Color is red. Whatever I've done so far, I'm doing it. I've given a border double border I gave, right? So I'm drawing it for you. Color what I gave? Body color orange. Did I give orange? Let me check it out. Yes, body color is orange. On that orange, you have put an airline image here. You have put an airline image. And this is the image. In this aeroplane is flying. That is the reason background you are able to see orange. Ardhamautunda? Yes or no? 1 minute. My lines are very worse. Let me take it. Once again, I'm taking, right? You said border of the page is double. Border size is 8. The page is looking like this. Double. You said background equals to orange. Body equals to orange. Body, background equals to orange. On that, what do you have? You have an image. Here is the image. In this one, aeroplane is flying. Below that, you have Apollo Hospital page. Here, the doctor, that old person picture is visible. See, on the body, that is the reason you are able to see the gaps. See, between the picture and this, there's orange because their website has a transparent. If the website has a, if the website would have some colors, then you would have seen the color. Now see that this old person. Below old person, then again there is a gap. Why? Welcome to Emirates. Welcome to Emirates. Did I set any background color for this? No. Right? Go ahead and see in the CSS. I didn't give any background color for H1. H1. Shall we give a background color? Background color equals to, what is that color? Red? No. So background color equals to blue. Now you see what will happen. Wait. Background color equals to blue. So what happened is that in this, next you have welcome to Emirates. In this blue color. Blue. On that, in red, you're writing welcome to Emirates. I'm not writing. Then you have what? Tab. Let's understand. Then you have a tab. Tab. What is the color of the tab I gave? Purple. If you remember. That is the reason you're not able to see orange there, because the tab color is purple. This is tab 1. This is tab 1. TAB tab 1. On the tab 1, you have what? Apex page block. You didn't give a color. That is the reason the color is you're not able to see the color in the page. See, white. Can you see purple? Behind the purple, if you see this line side corner, orange is there. If I zoom it, can you see orange now? Right? So this is the tab color. I applied the color of the tab to only tab 1 and tab 2. Tab 3, I didn't apply color. See, tab 3 color I have not applied. So background is white. Background is white. On that, page block is also white. In the page block, again I have what? Section. In the page block, I have a section. Both I have not applied color. So that's the reason they are looking like this. So actually the orange is now gone, because on the orange there is one more layer. On that another layer you are giving. Ardhamautunda Leda. Yes. Now you got it. How this is working? Yes, everyone. If you keep on removing layers, finally you will see orange yellow, one yellow page. For example, file, new, Visual Force page, right? What is that page? CLLLLR. I'm creating a page called CLLLR. Now you see I define. Style, same thing I'm copying. Keep watching. I will not write any tag. No tag at all. I will remove everything, right? Wait. Style, let me copy. You'll understand, right? I'm removing my button, my tab, my Rupam, all removed. I will remove H1 also. Tell me what I have here. Is it a system or a custom? System. Now if I click on preview the page, you will see that I'll get an orange page. See, full page is orange. Full page is orange. On this, if you put now a picture, then automatically orange will go behind, above the orange. See, this is orange page, background. Same thing is happening. Same command is here. Above the orange, you have put an image. Above the image, you have put a tab on the page. So the orange is behind now. Behind that, you got a tab. In the tab panel, you have a tab. For the tab, you set purple, right? So orange is getting behind. Clear now? Whoever is asking the question, see, background got applied. Full pages. If I put a page block now, what will happen? It'll cover it. For example, see, I'm writing Apex page block, right? Inside the page block, right? And I'm giving paragraph tag because I want to increase the width of the block. Something I'm writing. After each line, one paragraph. Control S. See the output now. Above the page block, above the body, one block came. Did we give a color to the block? No. So the orange has gone behind. Above that, we have created Apex page block. So block came. Inside this, you can say Apex input field, Apex output field, Apex command button. Here I said AF, JF, JH, GG, something. Getting it? Yes, I can create one more block.
So one question, can we give margins for page block as well?
I told you page block and right sections you can give, but again, those overwriting is quite difficult. It can, it might not.
Okay.
Now I give a second block. Between the first block and second block, I will give a paragraph. First, I will not give. Control S. See the output. Even though if I didn't give, can you see one small gap between these two? Orange, because background is visible. Two blocks are there, right? This is the way it's working. I want to push this. Now, between the blocks, I'm giving 3 paragraphs, 4 paragraphs. See, right? Even if you give 4 paragraphs, system is not taking. I told you, playing with the blocks is quite difficult. Coloring, playing with the blocks is difficult. Because block is taking the style from tab style. Already the color is pink, yellow, green. So you have overriding this block is difficult. It's not that you cannot, but you have to do a lot of things. Clear everyone? This page, how it's working? Yes. Right? I'm closing it. Control S. Close. Right? Next. By the way, right click, close. Right? Here, tab 1. We were in the padding. See from where it's starting? Upper padding, lower padding. See? System is giving a 10 gap on the top, 10 gap here, and 40 here. From the starting. This is called padding. Here it will start from 0. There it's starting, there's a gap, and so this is called as padding. Clear? Yes. Tell me. Yeah, you can. Why not? No. Why not? Background equals to. In the place of orange, I'm giving purple. Oh, sorry. Everywhere it will work, sir. No, there's nothing called no. Okay. Background. Control C. HTML background equals to this. Right? I'm in H1. Background is this. Go ahead and see. See? It applied. This color I have applied there. Perfect. It should be 100%. If it's not working, refresh again in your system. Just a refresh issues. Perfect.
So Rupam,
Inline style and internal clear. Yes, everyone. Shall I go to the
welcome
external?
Yes,
So
sir.
should we learn HTML for to this?
Sorry.
Should we learn HTML to do this?
No, you don't need it. Why do you need HTML? Other than you don't even need H1 also. You don't even need body also. Right? You just need this. Have I used HTML other than break tag and paragraph tag? I didn't use any of the HTML command. So you don't need HTML. This is just to show you that HTML is also supported here.
Okay.
If you want to use HTML, you can use HTML. Because most of you know HTML rather than Python commands. HTML is quite basic commands. P for paragraph, BR for break, H for heading, right? Body for body. That's the reason I'm showing you that Salesforce support cross programming language also. It supports other programming language also within Salesforce. Clear? Perfect.
Rupam,
Now,
here. Hi Rupam.
yes, tell me.
Yeah, can you open that other page, header?
Yep.
Yeah. So welcome to Emirates is only the header over here, or
Only one header only. I didn't use anywhere.
so the red color border, that is only the header, right? Here.
The whole welcome to Emirates is a header, H1. I mean, I'm still trying to understand why there is so confusion. H1 has these components, these elements are there. color is red, background is that blue color, whatever it is, font size is 50, margin is 450, border style is double, border width is this, border width is this. Unless until you give a border color, right, your border color is red because it's taking the color. Now you go ahead and define border color, then it will change the color, right? Border color, because you didn't use border color. Now we will say border color equals to border width, border color equals to white. White color border will come. White color border has come. Well, why so confusion? Quite
Okay.
simple thing. Right? Whatever you use, you want to use H1 somewhere else, use somewhere else. Inside the tab 2, let's go to the tab 2. Hi guys, this is tab 2. I will put H1. H1. Inside the H1, I will say, hi guys, this is tab 2. Done. There also you'll get the same thing. Hi guys in big, background will be blue, white border. Wherever I use H1 now, system will give me same treatment. Whatever the welcome to Emirates you see, when I click on tab 2, I will get the same treatment there also. See, hi guys, this is tab 2. Compare this now, this both. Any treatment difference? Welcome
No.
to Emirates. Hi guys. Wherever you want to use, wherever I will use H1 now, that will be the differential will be get applied. In the tab, before the tab, H1. This is tab 1. Control S. Tell me what is the difference? Both is using H1. Same background, same color, same font. Because you said H1.
Yeah.
Ardhamautunda? All
Yeah.
clear? No much confusion. Don't try to dig the grave. When you try to dig a grave, right? Always there is a bad smell will come. Right? Perfect. Clear? This is Emirates. This is tab 1. You wherever you use H1, you'll get the same. As simple as that. Right?
Breaking.
I can define H2. I can define H2. Wherever I will use H2, same styles will get applied. Perfect. Right. Now,
Sir, here can we able to change database tables or not able?
yes, you can. You can change the database table colors, database table font. Go ahead and apply. Right? To my database, where is that? Data table. There is a data table we have entered, no? Somewhere in the tab 2, if I'm not wrong, data table. Right? There also you'll have, see, style class. Style class equals to RUPOM Rupam. Oh, make sure that the spelling is correct. Case sensitive Rupam. Now for data table also I applied. In tab 2 in data table also I applied. Control S. Go ahead, check it out. Question mark ID equals to all the data got populated. Go to the tab 2. See my tab 2 table. Right? See the background color. Earlier it was what? Pink. Now we have changed it to what? This color. Right? Because Rupam says, right? Background color is this. Change it to yellow. Control S. You go ahead and see table color also will change to yellow. Question mark ID equals to. Everywhere the fields will change yellow. The data table also will change yellow. In tab 2, if I'm not wrong, we have created. See, You can apply to a table, you can apply
This one, sir.
anywhere. Now, yes.
This one, sir, account name, account details, there itself, can you say?
That is a section, no.
Account name,
Account name,
descriptions.
opportunity name, what is this? Right? Which account name? You're talking about this one?
Head, is sir. Not sir, that one, account name, account, opportunity name, those are, sir.
Right. These are what? Tell me where this belongs to.
Yes, sir. For that,
This
sir.
belongs to where? These belongs to where? Page block section. Did I apply style to page block section? No. You go ahead and apply. No. Madam, try to understand. Did I apply any style to page block? Did I apply any style to page block section? Space bar. Right. Here you see that. Right. You don't have a much option of applying style. In section, there is no styles. Right. Here you see. If I scroll down, I have a tab style. Tab style equals to Rupam. Right? Wait. There's a problem. I told you have a limitation. See? Invalid tab style. Tab style. Applying a style to a tab is quite difficult.
So is
System
it
will
dot
not
Rupam?
take it. No, you don't. They say dot Rupam here. You say Rupam only here. Right?
Okay.
In tabs and in section, you don't have a styles. In tab and sections, you don't have a style available because tabs and sections, sorry, page block and page block section doesn't have style. These are the two components where you don't have a style. Why? Because page block will take the style from the tab style. Inky pinky ponky, father has a donkey. It takes the color from there. It takes the color from there. From where? From the table. While creating the table, while creating the object, when you go to the tab, I select the color. So there you have to select the color and that color will be taken here. For example, again, file, open, CLLLR. Right? I have two tabs. Title equals to A. Next tab, page block. Title equals to B, Control S. Now I say apex page standard controller equals to stand opportunity. Opportunity. Preview. Right? Automatically, you see these. See the difference? There's a little bit change in color. Right? That is the tab color. Sorry, block color. Why I'm saying tab every time? That's a block color. See, apex page block. I change it to contact. Control S. I change it to contact. Now you see the color. Can you see the color? Right? You want to change this background. That is what your question is. Right? Everybody is trying to thinking, Rupam, how can I change this background? These background change. Right? Whenever you want to change the background of this, you cannot do that so easily. You have to write a lot of CSS scripting. Right? Simple word. Right? Go to Google, www.google.com. You have Saturday and Sunday, right? Changing, right? Page block color. See, changing page block section color. How to change? Do a research on this. See, so many topics are there. I want you to go ahead and find this out by yourself. I told you it's not that easy. See, you have to do it like this. Apex page block section, column is this, right? Go ahead and see. page block color document dot get element by id dot component dot section dot red. For that you have to write a JavaScript. Changing a section color, changing a page block color is not easy. You have to learn JavaScript, and this we will do when we come to the JavaScript class. Now understood? Full stop here. Other than page block section, you can change any color anywhere. If you are not using page block or page block section, right? If you're not using page block or page block section, you can use the color. Otherwise, you have to write a JavaScript for that. See, if page block is null, then page block dot child dot style dot css text equals to background color equals to this. Most of you don't even know how to write this. That is the reason I'm not going there. That is the reason from the time I'm telling that changing page block and page block section is difficult. I'm not saying it's not possible. It is possible, but it is not that easy. It is something different which we don't know as of now. So as of now, ignore that. Other than page block section, you can change the color anywhere. Now it's clear? Perfectly clear, everyone?
So one more question, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, yesterday you have given a homework to create Salesforce login page, right? There we can have username and password above the table. So same that I want to put account name above the table. How to do that, sir?
That is what the homework is. No, you are going to do it. How to do that? Name the you have to use it. You can use page block. You can use divs. Wait, just wait for a few more minutes. Then you'll get an idea how to do it. Perfect. Now, no more doubts. Thank you. Otherwise, this class will never go on. Right. Now, let's understand a couple of things. Style is here. All good with the styles? We have external style left. So let's wait for that. Now, on the page, I want to see logged in user. Who logged in? Right? How to show that? Right? LOGGED, logged in. Logged in user. Right? Exclamation dollar. What does the dollar stand for? Universal table. There are 7 universal table available which can be directly accessible in the Salesforce. I will say user dot name. Control S. Wait, let me see whether if it gives error. Then there is no name field. We have to say first name. Name does not exist. So first name. Control S. Exclamation dollar user first name NBSP. What is this? Space, one space gap. Right? Dollar last name. Whoever is logged in, his name will come here. Next, logged in user email address. User email. Wait. Exclamation dollar user table dot email. User table email. Go to the user table, pull the email. Profile. User profile. USERPROFILE. Exclamation dollar. Go to the user table dot profile. Control S. Let's see whether profile is there or not. Right? Invalid. Profile name. NAME. Control S. No. Then we have to find it out the table name. Fine. For the moment, this is what we have. Now I go here and you see that after refreshing, wait. Control S. Let me save it. Right. System is saving. Let's wait. Control S. What happened? Why I'm writing there? I come here. I put it in my page. Same thing. Control S. Save. Now you go ahead and see. Logged in user. Rupam Chakravarti. User email. I want this to be in a separate line. So what I will do? BR. Break tag. I will give a break tag. Control S. Go ahead and see. Logged in user on the top. Now you want to push it to the right. What will you do? Right? You want to not one line, 2 lines has to be pushed. In such case, what I will do is that I will use div. D-I-V. D-I-V. Div. I will put this inside the div. Div stand for division. Div stand for what? In HTML, I'm using HTML commands now, couple of HTML. Inte, you don't need to learn more HTML. If you know this much HTML, that's enough. Div is a box. In HTML, the way we have a page block, in HTML, there is no page block. In HTML, we call them as divs. Div, div. I will say style equals to, right, anything, my box. Control S. Not style, here it's class. Class equals to my box. In div, we use a word called class, not style. Class. Now, same the way I defined h1, h2, dot rupam, dot this, I will define dot my box. Now, I will go margin. And I will say margin equals to 600 or 700. Control S. Go ahead and see. Because this I have put inside a box. A box without a border. Border is not visible. Unless until you say border style equals to. Unless until you say border width, border style. If I use this in the my box, then I will get that in a border. Control S. Now you see it will come in a box. See? One white box it came. No, I don't want to give a border. Invisible border. Like this. 900. Control S. I want to increase the font size, not 50, but I want to increase the font size to 25. Go ahead and see. Oof, it's becoming too big. I'll say 15. Control S. Logged in user. If Sachin login, Sachin name will be shown. Rahul's login, Rahul name will be shown. Whoever login, his name will be shown. Ardhamavutunda? Yes or no? Yes, everyone. Now you see that I've put this whole text inside what? Div. Now tell me, do you need page block? Let me ask you this question now. Do you need page block? Yes or no? Without a page block, can I design my page with blocks and sections? Yes, with div. By using a div, I can do that. I don't need a page block section. For example, open page, ch chiller page. I don't need these 2 sections, guys. Same thing, I can remove it and I can say div. I'm removing the block. Now I will put this Control X inside the div. You want border? If you want a border, now you can say, see, right? I'm taking my box, Control C. Style, my box. Div class equals to my box. Whatever I say, left margin this. Now you see what happens the output. Review. Wait, see. Now you can apply a color to back. Page block you cannot apply color, but can you apply color to div? Yes. Right. Now I will go ahead and apply color. Border background color equals to, see, background color equals to white, green. What is that? What we have here? Orange. So background color equals to pink. Now you see why we moved so much that side. So I'll say 500. Wait, see, right. I can start controlling it. Height, width, HEIGST height 300 px. Width 300 px. Control S. Now you see that border height width is controlled. This is how the login box is coming up. From the top, you have to push down. Whenever you want to push down this box from the top, then I will say margin top, margin top. Now you see the box will be pushed from the top. Oof. This is where your login page is, right? Above that you have a logo. Above that you have a logo. Yes or no? Trying to understand. I'm trying to create a login page without a section. Right? Here you want what? I want account name, and then I want the name to be populated. You remember? Right? Same thing people were asking me, Rupam, this I want to change the color of this account name, phone. I want to change the background color. Go ahead now. In the div, wait. In the div, I will say ACCOUNT account INFORMATIO account information. I will say bold, bold. Control X, Control V. After that, there is a paragraph. Control S. Keep watching. Oh, sorry, where is that? See, account information. Now here you want account name, phone number. 500 is too big, so I'm taking to height equals to 200. Right? Now you want what? This table is connected to contact. I want contact first name. Then remove this. You don't need page block section. Now I will say apex, INPUT text, apex input text. Label equals to CONTH contact FIRST first name. Value equals to exclamation CONTAC contact dot first name. Like this. First C, Control S. Wait. Right? Did he save it? Any error? What happened? Let me check it out. Must occur between a tag. Okay. Because we are using an apex input. Whenever there's an input, you should use what? Form. I didn't use form anywhere. So that's the reason my system is crying. Right? So use form. Apex, FORM form. Form tag is must. Control X. Whenever there is input, form tag. Control S on the keyboard. Saving, done. Now you see the output. Oh, label didn't come. Right? What we said. Label equals to. Why the label didn't come? Apex input text. Right? Let me see. Because of the size and width, this might not be sufficient. Right? Let me see. Oh, right. Apex input text label equals to this. Control S. Right. Height, width. Width is 500. Control S. I just got the box. Why I'm not getting Apex input text label equals to contact first name. All right, I should be getting it. Apex input text. If you don't get also, don't worry, right? Copy the same thing here. Take it. Control S. Now you see. Contact first name. You want to display value equals to, wait, value equals to table name dot field name, exclamation CONTACT contact dot FIRST first name. Like this, I will have all the fields now. See, Control C, Control V, contact last name, contact email, contact LAST last name, contact EMAIL email, Control S. Now I'm going and refreshing this page. Wait. After each one of them, put a paragraph, or a break. Save. Now you see. You want the data to be populated here? Perfect. Go to the contact and find one subject. Find one record. View all. Sales. Contact. Pick any contact. Timbar. His ID is this. Come here. Question mark. After question mark, ID equals to. I press enter. Don't you see the name getting populated? Have I used page block section? Nothing?
No.
Yes or no? Now able to understand? Yes. You want to color this pink? That is what the question was. Hey Rupam, how can I color this? How here you have colored, but labels, how should I color? Shall we do that? You should go ahead and define one more. Dot my LBL, my label. Dot my label, right? Dot my label. Right? Color. COLOR, color equals to blue. And in front of this label, put div. div div. Control X. You should think the possibilities. Div start, div ends. Everywhere I'll say div start, div ends. After the label, the div ends. Now I will say div class equals to my LBL. Class equals to my LBL. Now give it to everyone. Class equals to my LBL. Class equals to my LBL. Control S on the keyboard. Save. Go ahead and check now. This page. Oh, sorry. See. Contact first name. I got blue color. Question mark ID equals to. Question mark ID equals to. Timbar. You want that Tim also in blue. You want this in orange. Now you know what to do. Go ahead, practice. This is Apex input. Here I can apply a color. Right? I will say style or style class equals to same thing I'll give. My LBL. Then what will happen? Data also will be, see, everywhere I'll give the same. Control S. Next time the team also will come in blue. Question mark. See, team also from black it changed to blue. Ardham avutunda? Same as your login form. Login form lo kuda teda ledhu kuda. If you see that, this is the place your login form should come this side. So width, change it to left margin 500, 300. See here, username, password. Then you want a button. Use button. All these things I'm removing it. Apex command button. Command button. Value equals to, right? login. See, username, password. You want to put an image here. Apex image, source equals to. Put it inside the box. Above the form. I want an image. Div. I'm placing everything inside there. Here I will say Apex image. I'm taking Apex image command. Value equals to exclamation dollar resource dot em1 em2 em1. I don't know what is that, but anyhow, let's see. One em1 came. em2 control s. Wait. Oh, it's too big. em2. Let's assume that this is a Salesforce logo. Now you can control the height and width, can't you? You know that, right? Height. You want small image. Height 300. Width 200. Control S. This image 200 by 200. Now I want to push this image right side. Then div class equals to push image. Push img. Go ahead, create a style here. Dot push img. Now go ahead and write left padding, right, left margin, right margin, top margin, wherever you want. You want the adjust the logo as per your requirement. Why it's so difficult, guys? Right? Left margin this much, right margin this much. See the output. Ela move chestunna image ni. How I'm moving the image? From top also you can push it down because I said left, top. See. Now can't you play and make a page? Can't you arrange total in login page? What is there? One image. Is this side there's one more image. So now if I have two images, can't you play this that side? Yes. You don't need a page block. With a div also I can play. See. I can remove this page block. In the page block this is none. We don't need page block. You want one more image? Put one more div. img3. See, two images will come. Now this image I'll try to push right side. Then I'll increase the width. Then I'll increase the height and width. Exactly the time it's set there, I'll keep my mouth quiet. Able to understand now how to work with the login page? So this is the login page only. There is one image. Here I have taken two images. Now you can adjust whichever you want to adjust from where. Yes. Right? I want to touch this. These two should touch each other. Then remove. Right? My label. Where is that image? This is what my box. Come to the my box. Only I will set top margin 3 pixel, 2 pixel. Control S. See what will happen. See, touch in the box 30. Your Salesforce logo is also. Give a gap, 10 pixel, kuncham gap ostadi. Now move this. Now you know how to align it. Yes, everyone. Everyone in the class, yes or no? Comfortable?
Yes, sir.
You have to practice. See, now if I say it's all good, but once you go ahead, you have to practice by yourself how to play with the image. That is the reason I gave you the homework. Done? Perfect. Now, the last one called external CSS. Write down external CSS. External CSS. Right? Style sheet. Style sheet. Style sheet stored in a static resources. Style sheet stored in a static resource. Style sheet stored in a static resource. Style sheet stored in a static resource is called external styles. Is called external style. Now, let's understand. Stored in static resources is called external style. Now, first of all, our page is so long. Where is that? I'm closing the chiller page. I'm coming to the main page. First of all, our page is so long. How many are there? 177 line program, right? On that, I'm scrolling fast up and down. There's a style here. After style, when Java comes, I will start writing script. In a script tag, I will start writing JavaScript. I will write blah, 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 blah. Now that 100 line code has become 177, 177 will become 277. It is quite difficult to manage CSS programming, HTML programming, right? JavaScript programming, on that Visual Force programming, all in one page. So what we'll do is that we will keep the scripts, or we will take out the styles out. See, till that style, I'll say Control X. No style at all. No style at all in the page. In the page, no style definition, right? It says that my tab. Where is my tab? No my tab. It says my box. Where is my box? No my box. Now I will click on File, Notepad. I will save this program in the Notepad. Whatever the style tag is there, see, style starts, style ends. I've copy pasted where? Notepad. I click on File, I click on Save As. I will look for your folder, OF1117 folder. And there I will say, right, main page style style dot css. You will say main page style and select to all files. You will give a dot css and you click on save. Now close this. Go ahead and look what you did actually. Let's go to OF17 folder. See, here it is. This is the one. Here it is. Can you hear? Oh man. Yep. Audible? Perfect. Now you see what I did. Here it is. See, which I highlighted here. This is what it is. Can you see the file that we saved? Right click, edit, notepad. See? Now this file I will upload. This file I will upload. Where I will upload? setup, static resources. I scroll down, custom code, static resources. Remember, here we loaded the images. Here we loaded EM1, EM2, EM3. Now I will say new, and I will say STL, some name I'm giving. I will say public, choose, and I will point to that file. Which file? My page style.css, and I say save. To my static resources, other than image, you can see it says CSS. It says CSS. See? CSS. Now I will come to my Visual Force page. Right? I will just write one single line here. Apex style sheet. Write down one more command. Apex style sheet. Apex style sheet. To call external style from a static resource. To call external style from a static resource. To call external style from a static resource. So you open Notepad, copy paste the program, style tag starting, style tag ending, only this much. Save as CSS, upload them in the static resource. Come here and say Apex style sheet value equals to exclamation dollar resource resource dot stl over. Here you don't need to write this much. Today the day is bad, looks like that. Okay. Here you don't need to write the style in the Visual Force page. Why? Because my label, my box, my text, my button, my section. If you write like this, then the style itself will be 100 line. And below that, your code will start. Apex page, form, page block, section. So we can cut this whole and we can put it in a notepad and we can use it like this. Control S. Done. Your output is same. There is no change in the output. Preview. Oh, not this page. Let me close this all. See? Any change in the output? No change in the output. Same background, same this one, same colors. What I did, we just removed the style script from the Visual Force page, stored in a notepad as a CSS, then we uploaded the CSS static resource using it. This is called as what? External style. Way one, first way. Way one, first way. Second way. This page also has a style. Now let's see. Right? I'm coming to developer console. File, open pages, chiller, CLLR. Here also there is a style. In this page, can I put it in external? Yes, I can take this style out, Control X. Now I have only the page. See, Apex page starting, Apex page ending, only page. Rather than creating a notepad, second way, look at the screen. Second way, file, new, static resource. File, new, static resource. I will say CLRST. What type of it is? I will say it's a CSS. What is the type? Is it a JavaScript? No. Is it XML? No. Is it a plain HTML? No. Is it CSS. I say submit. I remove everything. Here, only difference is that you don't need style. Remove the styles. Right? Control S. Now you can use it here also. Apex st while is style sheet value equals to same thing, exclamation dollar, right? resourc resource dot clrst. This is the name that I gave. Control S. clrst. Go ahead and preview the page. See, same page. No difference. Correct. Because here already we said it's a style. There we didn't set a style. It was it was some attachment like image I'm loading. Here while creating itself I said type is style. So that's the reason we don't use script. Other than the script we put the inside body. Ardhamautunda? Yes. Other than the script line on the starting and last line, just remove it. See, pushing, my LBL, my box, and directly you can use them in the page. Either you can copy paste in a notepad, call it with the same command, upload it static resource, call it. Otherwise, create a CSS and call it. This is called external styles. Clear? Yes or no? Cool? Good? 3 types of styles available. You can use anyone. In real time, what we use this external. It's most easy. Otherwise, in the page, if you write 200 lines as style, then the page length will very increase. Everybody has to scroll down, 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 down. So all the extra program, which is non-Visual Force programming, we put them in a static resource. Go ahead and edit. No, change it from here. Yes. You want to change from color pink to something else? Change it green. There we go. Now go ahead and refresh the page. Right? Whichever, see, box became green. As simple as that. Clear? Everyone got it? Online, offline? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Right? Your class will be extended by 10 minutes more. I want to complete this Monday. We should be in the oops. As I told you, Monday onwards. And by the way, this link will not work on Monday. Right? This link will not work on Monday. Online guys. Monday, new link. So please contact your admin. Right? Those who have not paid the development fees, right? Start clearing it, the second installment, right? Those who have joined new, please contact admin for the Monday's link. Clear? Now this is the page that we developed, a Visual Force page, a colorful Visual Force page. Now after developing the Visual Force page, how the end user will access it? Page is looking good? Awesome. Now I cannot tell end user that come to developer console, click on file, click on open, select the page, click on open, then click on preview button. Can I tell like this? No. This is a development. Development is done. All happy with my page? Beautiful page, no? Right? Now,
Yes.
I close this. Close. Close your development also. Perfect. Our development is done. We are ready to deploy this page. Put a heading called as Visual Force page deployment. Number 1. Visual Force page deployment. Number 1. Tab. Number 2. Number 1. Tab. Number 2. Tab. TAB. Number 2. Button. Button. Number 3. Link. Number 3. Link. Number 4, dashboard. Number 4, dashboard. Reports and dashboard. Dashboard and report. Next, object. Object creation. Next, object creation. Perfect. Where can I deploy this page? How an end user will access this page? First one is tab. What I will do? I will go to user interface. I will click on tabs. These many days we have been creating object tab. First time we will create Visual Force tab. I click on new tab. What is the tab name? Which Visual Force page? See, my main page, my first page, chiller page. Which page you want? CLLR, chiller page. Adi chiller lekkane undi kada. One image there, one image here. So you want to go with a chiller page, my first page, right? Main page. Which one will take? Main page. What is the tab name? What is the tab name? You can give any name. You will say ACCOUNT, account, INFORMA TION, right? Tab style. Inky Pinky Ponky, father has a donkey. I click next. Which solution can, which profile can access? All the profile. Click next. Which solution? I want in airline, hotel, school, also in sales. Also in sales. See? Sales lightning, sales classic, both sales. Click save. Done. Next time when you come and click on airline management, you would be able to see a new tab coming up called as account information. When you click on it, your Visual Force page loads. See? Some of the styles are missing. Can you feel it? Some of the styles are missing. Background is missing. Why
Yes.
background is missing? Because tab style is overriding it. Otherwise, everything is same. Now, can I create account from here? Yes, you can. Go ahead and type, right? Let's say that, what is that? CSS technology. Phone number. Fax number. Oh. I know that online people cannot see. Industry. Right? I say save. Go ahead and check in account. See, CSS technology got created. Ardhamautunda leda. Go to hotel management. There also this tab is there. Account information. See. Nobody can see the background code because users are not authorized to see the background code. Can I call with a button? Yes. First I call with a tab. It is there in sales. Yes, it is there in sales also. Go to the sales, right? Under more, you'll see account information. See? Same page is accessible. Now we developed it. After developing, this is the way we will deploy it for the user. Now I told you ID has to be automatically come. Keep watching. Wait now. Second deployment. What is that? With a button setup. You know how to call a button? Object manager. Object manager. Account. Wherever you want to button. You want to call this from a contact page. You can call it. Every page I can create a button. The way in passenger I created a button. Here I am coming to account. I click on button fields and action. I can click on button. What is the button name? I will say button name is ACCCCC, right? Button. What do you want to call? I want to call a Visual Force page. See, my first page save. I say okay. Now you have to come to the page layout. You have to put that button. I come to the account layout. Buttons are not automatically placed. ACCCCC near the Flipkart or a custom button. I dragged and drop. Now I say Control S. Over. Next time when I go to account, right? I open Grand Hotel and Resort. I should be able to see a button called as ACCCC. It will take time. It will come. Because this is a classic development, let's switch to classic. It will come fast there. I go to the account. I open the same account. Look, Grand Hotel and Resort. Can you see ACCCC? When I click on it, what? We have taken what? First page. Go to the button. Open the button. Why delete? Edit. Set it to main page. Save. Next time when you come and refresh here, immediately and see data is loaded. Imbar. I don't need to say ID equals to, see, all the data are loaded. Automatically data got loaded. I see read only. See, all data got loaded. Did you set ID equals to? No. I didn't set ID equals to. Close. You go ahead and open another record, right? Burlington Textile Corp of America. Click on ACC. System is taking the ID automatically. You don't need to give question mark ID equals to. See, ACC button. Immediately logged in user Rupam. My page got loaded. And you see Burlington Textile Corp of America. We should have changed the font from white to something else. I go to the tab, see, read only. All information, Jack Rogers, cases, everything is coming up. I deployed with a what? Button. Same thing, link also I can deploy. Button and link is same. Button will come like this, link will come like a hyperlink. Now, Rupam, I want to change this page layout. We can deploy in a page layout also. Write down, I didn't give you page layout. See, I will go to the page layout, right? Page layout. I click on page layout. You know that sections you can drag and drop. I will drag and drop a section. I dragged and drop a section, right? See, a section got dragged and dropped. Now I will scroll down and I look for Visual Force page here. See, my main page. I drag and drop in the section. Right here, I will say properties. I will get the height 600. Now I click on save. See, I can remove all the sections and I can put only one section. Next time when you come to account, you open any account, HDFC Bank, you see that your page will load here. You gave 600, you should have given more. Able to understand? See, every account you click, system will load that page. State Bank of India, and it will load with State Bank of India data. Size is not getting sufficient. Layout. Now see, I can delete these sections. I can delete these sections from here. Delete. That means I can change my page layout to my Visual Force page. Right? 600 is not sufficient. I will set 1200. Save. Next time when you come and refresh, this will be 1200. See, tabs are visible. Can you see? 1200 is also not getting sufficient. I have to increase more. This is an account page. Ardhamautunda? Yes or no? After development, you can call it with a tab, you can call it with a button, you can put inside a Visual Force page, you can put inside reports and dashboard. When you go to the reports or dashboard, you have a Visual Force, if you remember, right? If you remember, dashboard, right? This dashboard, edit. In the data source, Visual Force page, you remember? Here, no result is showing.
Yes.
Visual Force page, right? We have to check one box available for dashboard. It will be available here. You can drag and drop a Visual Force page here also. Usually we don't do that, right? What are the settings to do? I'll show you. Relax. Getting it? Mostly your visual, or let's come out of it. Close. Whenever you're creating an object, how to create an object? How to create an object? Table. If you remember, we go to objects and fields, object manager, setup, objects and fields, object manager. Whenever you are creating a new custom object, we did that. Passenger, payment, if you remember, here you can call a Visual Force page. See, help, right? Open start, see, open a Visual Force page. You see, here my Visual Force page will be visible. Not visible now because I have to change some settings. If I change some settings, my main page, chiller page, all will be visible here. Able to understand what I'm saying? Mostly we don't use in these places. Visual Force page are used through button, through tab, in a page layout. 99.9% that is the use. Yes or no? Now you can create a custom page for your passenger. Custom page for your passenger. You can override those. Right? Rupam, you're going very high. I know that. Now let's understand. App manager, view all, relax, cool. I'll give you a chance to ask out later. Account. Whenever you click on new button, this page comes. No, I want that page. With that also you can save an account. Yes, we can create an account. So whenever I click a new button, I want my custom page to be loaded now. Ardhamautunda? So how to do that? Come to account. Once again, let me show you. Go to the objects and fields, click on object manager, click on account. Right? Click on account. Click on button links and action. Which button you want to overwrite? New button. Click on it, click on edit. Overwrite with a Visual Force page. Which page? See? Lightning experience, leave it. Override with a Visual Force page. See? Now I click on save. Next time when you come to account, you click on new account, it will take time. Which page will load? My custom page will load. See, it's loading now. When you click new, this page will load. Account, new. Here you can fill the data and hit save. Able to understand? So you can create an account. You can replace the new button with your Visual Force page. You can change this tab the way I created account tab. I created an account information tab also. You can, what is this? This is a table. Can't you create this page? Yes or no? You can create this page now because this is the table. This is a link. See, these are buttons. You know how to place a button. So you know how to put this table. So you can change everything now as per your requirement. You have to create pages and you have to change it. Able to understand what is the difference between the Visual Force and the existing one? Existing one doesn't have a colors, they doesn't have a logos, whereas same new page now you can create with a, for example, I go to passenger. Whenever I click on new, immediately I should get aeroplane flying, tabs, then save button. So custom pages can be created and they can be deployed in the new button. When you open a passenger, you can remove all these sections. Here you can put a visual page will load. The way in the account it's loading now. Here also it will load. Ardhamautunda? Yes or no? You can replace this all and you can put your page. Sorry? New contact, yes. Actions, global actions. Global actions. This is a global action I told you. New contact is available everywhere. Remember admin class, global action, local action. This is a global action. Go to that button and change. Go to the actions. That's also a button. There you have a Visual Force option is there. Go and check it out. Select Visual Force page and you can call it a Visual Force page. Able to understand? Yes or no? Or do you want me to show? If everything I'll show, what you will do then? Actions. Underwear. Under sales feature, you have this action. User interface, see global action. Here you can create a button, create a record, or see custom Visual Force page. See, now the custom Visual Force page is not coming up. See, custom Visual Force page in action. How you can do that? Why it's not coming, Rupam? To do this, what you have to do is that go to your custom code, go to your Visual Force page, open that page, click on edit, check these boxes. Available for Lightning Experience app, this all. Check these boxes. Ardhamautunda? Save. Now they will be available for everywhere. Check these boxes. Clear now? Yes or no? Right?
Yes.
Everyone clear what I am doing? Yes or no? Yes sir, no sir.
Yes,
How
sir.
to create a Visual Force page? Everyone clear? Right? Now can you create a login page? You can try to create a login page. Try. I don't want 100% accuracy. Even if it's 80% matching, that's enough. Yep. I gave you a homework. Greater number, greater or small number. Can you create that? Yes. If you want to put a colors, now you can put a colors also in every page. Monday onwards, by this, we know how to create a basic page with sections, tabs, buttons, right? Monday onwards, we will start learning oops. And then we will connect the button with the oops. We'll connect the page with the oops. And both the combination will give you end-to-end Salesforce. Ardhamautunda now? In real time, am I supposed to create Visual Force page? Yes. How many pages? You will be creating hundreds and hundreds of Visual Force pages. Hundreds and hundreds. For passenger, some 10-15 Visual Force page you'll create. New oka page. Passenger tab, when you click, one page should come. When somebody click on edit, another page should come. Ardhamautunda? So that means for a passenger itself, you can have 4 or 5 pages, right? And those all will be deployed in passenger. Whenever you click the passenger tab, you will be able to see with a logo, with everything getting loaded. The way when I click on account information tab, my page is loading. That will be your work in the real time. Clear? Right? So Monday onwards, we'll start OOPS and the link will change. So please contact your admin for a new link. That's it for today. We'll stop here, right? People who want to take a screenshot. Today's class is CSS. So, right, I'll open the CSS. Take the screenshot if you require, right? Next, second, if you want to take the screenshot. Guys, once you start doing it, things will be clear. In the classroom, your understanding is only 50%. Remaining 50%, you have to, once you start doing it, you'll see that the clarity will come. So start doing it, right? Visual Force pages, 1 minute. My main page. No, if you take a screenshot, ilagado. Okay, developer console, file, open, pages, main page, open. Now those who want to take the screenshot can take it up to line number 25. Those who want to take the screenshot can take it. Right? Perfect. I'm scrolling down from 25. Here we go. 25
Rupa,
onwards. Yes.
is there any way to save our code, right? Like, yeah, I mean, if we want to send you the code, so how do we need to save that in a PDF copy or something like
No,
that to
in a
send it to you?
text. In a text you have to save.
Oh, is it like in a notepad we have to copy and paste
Notepad.
and send it to
Yes.
you?
Correct.
Okay, okay, Rupa.
49. Done. 49. 50 to 73. Now everything is same, guys. After 73, I don't think that you need, because below we didn't make any change. Whatever the changes we made change in the top itself. Last class pictures are there, so you can take it from there. Right? So that's it for today. We'll meet on Monday, 8 a.m. Monday also your class is 8 a.m. This month your class will be from 8 to 10, whole month. We are already delayed. That is the reason we want to cover it by extending half an hour every day, right? So that we don't delay it further. Perfect. Thank you guys. Have a nice and wonderful day. Bye-bye guys. Take care.